Go in the woods, making sure nobody's around, and start to talk to them and to yourself. And just be brutally honest. Just say it. Say it with all your heart and soul. I am ungrateful. I am ungrateful. I am chronically ungrateful. God, forgive me. Please forgive me. I caused myself all my troubles. I caused to myself all those terrible thoughts, judgment, criticism. I am victim of my scarcity mentality. I am responsible for everything. And please, God, help me. Help me remove anything that is not serving me. Remove my judgment, my self-pity, just all that garbage. Please, God, help me. I want to be born again. Show me the way. Show me the way. I'm here to serve you. How can I be a good servant if I do not obey you? How? How? No way. Help me to surrender my ego, because I know that I don't know. I'm just a stupid human being. That's the truth.